Yn y bore, mai dal hi, meddyn nhw, ac os ydych chi'n dod yma heddiw neu fori, yn y bore, dyna'r amser gorau i ddod i'r neuadd fwyd. Digon o le yma, digon o gyfle hefyd i drafod ac i flasu a falle dod nôl at ddiwedd y prynhawn i brynu pwy a wyr. Dwi nôl yng nghornel Cywain yn fan hyn sy'n rhoi cymorth i gwmnïa newydd. Beth, sut wyt ti?
Ie, iawn, diolch.
Dy ddiwrnod cyntaf di yma?
Ie, so fresh, bar yma.
Neis iawn, yn wen o glis i glis. Pwy sydd ar y stondin heddiw yma?
Wel, ar y pen fan hyn, mae gyda ni Black Mountain Preserves gyda jams, mae gyda ni Black Tab Brewing yn lansio gyda shandy.
Hello.
Baked by Jones gyda amryw o cacennau, a wedyn ar pen mae gyda ni gwin o felfri fyniad.
Digon o amrywiaeth.
Oes.
Fel arfer. A tua faint o gwmnïau ydych chi'n rhoi cymorth iddyn nhw mewn blwyddyn?
Ni fyny ti rew 600 nawr. So, ie, mae'n cymysgedd mawr dyn ni hefyd.
Mae'n rhyfeddol yn dydi?
Ydy.
Ar fenter yma, chi wedi sylwi ar newid dros y blynyddoedd bod pobl ar awydd mae i fentro?
Oes, wel, ni'n gweld bach fwy o bwysles nawr ar bwydydd byta'n iach neu canel dwyedd, ond ie, mae'r amrywiaeth yn diddorol i weld, rhaid gweud.
Wel, mae heddiw'n ddwrnod mawr i'r bobl sy'n dangos i cynnyrch am y tro cyntaf, felly dwi am bicio draw i fan hyn rwan ta. Dwi chwaer ti fan hyn. Rachel?
Rachel, yeah.
Where's Laura now?
Laura, she's gone out there.
She's disappeared.
She's disappeared.
Is she camera shy?
A little bit, yeah, a little bit.
Well, tell me about the business then.
So, Baked by Jones started in 2023.
Where are you based?
Pontardawe, Swansea. And we make loads of home-baked cakes from the house as well, and we supply local cafes, and we do lots of local markets as well, and events like this.
And do you bake them all yourself?
We bake them all ourselves.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what's the best seller? What's your favourite?
My favourite is hard to choose. If I like chocolate, it's the brownie. If I want a little bit more lighter, it's the chocolate cookie.
So how did you start baking then?
Just love it. Yeah, just a passion for it. Since I left school, one day I always thought I'd have a cake shop. So yeah, that's where it's coming from.
So have you got a shop in Pontardawe?
No, I'd like to have something in the future, but at the moment it's just from home, so you can work around the family. But yeah, that's the goal in the future.
And what are your hopes for today?
Just to make people aware of us, try our delicious cakes and bakes, and just enjoy the day.
Hard sell, da iawn. Well, I hope you have a lovely day.
Diolch.
Dwi chwaer fan hyn, gŵr a gwraig sydd gyda ni fan hyn, y felfri y fyniad.
Yes.
Fiona?
Yes.
And?
Andy.
Andy. Nice to meet you.
And you?
So, Felfri, you're in Pembrokeshire, obviously?
Yes.
In a lovely part of the world.
A beautiful part of the world, yeah. We're about 10 minutes from Narberth, between Narberth and Whitland.
And how big is your vineyard?
We've got about just over 5,000 vines at the moment, which covers about just over a hectare site.
And what kind of grapes do you grow?
We've actually got 4 different varieties now. The main grape that we grow is called Cywain Blonde, which is a white grape. We also grow some Pinot Noir. We grow some Solaris, which makes a beautiful still white wine. And we now grow some Rondo, which is another red grape.
Well, I see you've got a still wine. Tell me about the wines.
So we've got 2 wines here. We've got Natural, which is a natural ferment still white wine. And we've got our Velfrey NV, which is a traditional method sparkling wine.
And what is the process then with a sparkling wine?
So with a sparkling wine, it's a 2-stage process. It's a still fermentation, so you make a base wine, and then a second fermentation in the bottle, which is essentially the same method that they use to make champagne. And that's what gives it the fizz and the kind of complexity as well, the added flavour.
And I suppose what people will be asking today is what's your kind of point of difference here? What makes this so special?
I think it's, we're low intervention. We're a small family-run business, so we do everything by hand. All the processes with the vines and the grapes we do by hand. So we try and keep them as clean and as healthy as possible. But using things like tea sames, we make plant teas to keep them healthy. So we forage nettles, comfrey, willow from around the site, stew those up, make them into a tea, spray that on the vine, and they've got health-giving benefits to the grapes.
Well, I hope you have a good day today. You're obviously very passionate about this, but this is quite a new venture, isn't it?
Yes. Oh, we only planted it in 2017.
And prior to that, what were you doing?
We were publishing magazines prior to that, and then when we moved to Pembrokeshire in 2014, we actually kept some sheep for a while. But we found sheep were difficult.
Yeah.
And vines don't move.
And the wine is pleasing.
Absolutely, yeah.
Well, iechyd da. I hope you have a good day today.
Thank you very much
Pob
indeed.
lwc i chi. Thank you.